India has seen a steep rise in rape crimes over the years. In 2010, India was seeing over 60 rapes every day. That is over 2 rapes every hour. In 2014, the stats rose to 92 rapes daily, with 4 just in Delhi every day. Consequently, Delhi has even been called the rape capital of the world. But the latest stats reveal that today, 6 women are daily raped in Delhi alone. Not only that, famous Indian activist Arundhati Roy has said rape is often used as a weapon by the police and army in India. She said, "What do you do when the police themselves burn down villages and gang rapes women? I have personally listened to so many testimonials of women to whom this has been done." This happens to be the actual truth about women across the country and negates the image of modern India as portrayed by Bollywood and Indian media. Only this week, a horrific case of rape was highlighted by BBC in a school in Sikar, Rajasthan. A student of the 12th grade was continuously subjected to rape over a span of 6 months by the school administrator and teacher. She recently complained of pain in her abdomen and was taken to a nearby hospital by her family. The school administrator has allegedly had an abortion carried out in collusion with the hospital staff to hide his crime. As her condition worsened, she was shifted to a hospital in Jaipur, where she still lies in an unconscious state. Finally, a police case was registered and the school administrator, Jagdish Yadav, and teacher Jugat Singh Guriar were arrested. The police still waits for the victim to regain her consciousness so that her statement can be recorded. As this incident became known in adjoining areas, villagers came out in protest and resorted to damaging property in the school. Thus, the rape malaise continues in India, and even educators resort to attacking their students.